In logarithms, that is real numbers logarithms topic exercise 1.5, only one problem is left. That is ninth problem. Is log 2 a rational or irrational? Now we have to write whether log 2 is rational or irrational. Log 2 value is given as 0.3010. This is the value of log 2, which is not an exact value. It is an irrational number. Log 2 value is approximate value is given as 0.3010. This is not the exact value and it is an irrational number. Now the second bit, is log 100 a rational number or irrational number? We have to justify the answer. That is log 100. 100 can be written as 10 square. In logarithm, if a number has power, it comes as the coefficient. It is 2 into log 10. If base is not mentioned, it is 10. Log 10 base 10. Logarithm of a number itself as the base is 1. So we are getting two answers. 2 can be written as 2 by 1. That is in P by Q form. So it is a rational number. Write one example problem. Find the value of x if 2 log 5 plus 1 by 2 log 9 minus log 3 is equal to log x. 2 log 5 plus 1 by 2 log 9 minus log 3 is equal to log x. Now the given equation is 2 log 5 plus 1 by 2 log 9 minus log 3 is given as log x. This 2 comes here, it will become log 5 square plus log 9 can be written as 3 square minus log 3 is equal to log x. Log 5 square is 25, so it is log 25. Log a to the power m is, this m comes here, 2 into log 3 minus log 3 is log x. 2 cancel, we will get log 25 plus log 3 minus log 3 is log x. Log 3 minus log 3 will get cancelled. We will get log 25 is equal to log x. If you compare, x value will be 25. So first take the given equation 2 log 5 plus 1 by 2 log 9 minus log 3 is log x. 2, it comes as the exponent log 5 square. 1 by 2, 9 can be written as 3 square minus log 3 is log x. This 2 comes here, 1 by 2 into 2 get cancelled. So it is log 25 plus log 3 minus log 3 will get cancelled is log x. Log 25 is equal to log x. On comparing, we will get x is equal to 25. solve 3 to the power x is equal to 5 to the power x minus 2. Solve means, the meaning is solving means you have to find unknown, that is x value you have to find. So 3 to the power x is equal to 5 to the power x minus 2. Apply logarithm on both sides. So let us apply logarithm on both sides. Logarithm of 3 to the power x is equal to logarithm of 5 to the power x minus 2. Log a to the power n is, n comes here, it becomes n log a. So it will become x into log 3. Here x minus 2 comes here, x minus 2 log 5. Now x into log 3 is equal to, multiply by log 5, x into log 5 minus 2 into log 5. Bring all x terms one side, without x other side. Here without x only one term is there and that term is having minus sign. So it is better you take other side and bring this x log to that side. So minus 2 log 5 will become plus 2 log 5 is equal to x log 5 minus x log 3. 2 log 5 is equal to, x is common, so it will become log 5 minus log 3. So x is equal to, we will get 2 log 5 by log 5 minus log 3. Right, next problem. If x is equal to 1 plus log bc base a, y is equal to 1 plus log ca base b, z is equal to 1 plus log ab base c, then show that x y z is equal to xy plus yz plus zx. Here three conditions are given, x is equal to given, y is equal to given, z is equal to given. Let us take all the three conditions. First one is x is equal to 1 plus log bc base a. Next, y is equal to 1 plus log ca base b, z is equal to 1 plus log ab base c. Let us take all the three conditions. First you send one this side, x minus 1 is equal to log bc base a. Here you take one this side, y minus 1 is equal to log ca base b. Send one this side, z minus 1 is equal to log ab base c. Already we studied, whenever we remove logarithm, bc comes other side, x minus 1 goes there. So that is log bc base a is equal to x minus 1. When you remove logarithm, bc comes here, x minus 1 goes there. So it is a to the power x minus 1 is bc. A to the power m minus n can be written as a to the power m by a to the power n, that is bc. Cross multiply, a to the power x is equal to abc. Look at this example. If x square is 9, then we will write x is equal to root 9. Root 9 means 9 to the power 1 by 2 is meaning. X square is 9, then x value is root 9, that is 9 to the power 1 by 2. If you remove power on left side, right side that number will get 1 by the power 2 will become 1 by 2. In that way, a to the power x is abc. If you remove the power, a is equal to abc to the power 1 by x it becomes. Now here remove logarithm, ca comes here, y minus 1 goes there, that is log ca base b is y minus 1. Remove logarithm, ca comes here, y minus 1 goes there, b to the power y minus 1 is equal to ca. A to the power m minus n can be written as a to the power m by a to the power n, it is ca. Cross multiply, b to the power y is equal to we get abc. Whenever you remove the power, this y comes as 1 by, that is b is equal to abc to the power 1 by y. Now look here. Here we got log ab to the base c is z minus 1. When we remove logarithm, ab comes here, z minus 1 goes there, c to the power z minus 1 is equal to ab. A to the power m minus n can be written as a to the power m by a to the power n, that is ab. Cross multiply, c to the power z is equal to abc. C is equal to, we get abc to the power 1 by z. So we got a value, b value, c value. Now multiply all the three values, a into b into c. A value is abc to the power 1 by x. B value is abc to the power 1 by y. C value is abc to the power 1 by z. Here a into b into c means it can be written as abc to the power 1. Here bases are same, into is there, we have to add the powers. abc to the power 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. These two are equal, therefore powers also equal. 1 is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. Here LCM is x, y, z. X is there, multiplied by yz into 1. Y is there, multiplied by xz into 1. This is xy into 1. If you cross multiply, you will get the answer. xyz is equal to xy plus yz plus zx. So first you take the condition x is equal to 1 plus log bc base a. Send 1 this side, x minus 1 is equal to log bc base a. So log bc base a is x minus 1. Whenever you remove logarithm, bc comes here, x minus 1 goes there. A to the power x minus 1 is bc. A to the power m minus n can be written as a to the power m by a to the power n, that is bc. Cross multiply, a to the power x is equal to abc. A is equal to abc to the power 1 by x will get. In the same way, here b is equal to, we get abc to the power 1 by y. Here c is equal to abc to the power 1 by z. Now multiply these three values, a into b into c. This is a value, b value, c value. Bases are same, into is there, we should add the powers. So abc to the power 1 is equal to abc to the power 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. Now bases are equal, equate the powers. After LCM you will get the answer. Right, fourth problem. Expand log 343 base 125. First, this is in the form of log a by b. Log a by b can be written as log a minus log b. 343 is 7 cube. 125 is 5 cube. Log a to the power m is, it is coming here 3 log 7. This is 3 log 5. This is called expanded form.